coming to you once again. We're going to actually today spend some time double checking the fittings on the car, the tightness of the suspension on the car. We've driven around quite a bit here lately. Just going back, double checking, make sure everything's torqued down to specifics. And you know, these are checks we always need to keep doing on our car. Once we've gone beyond installing OEM replacement parts and we've installed vendor parts on our cars, part of our maintenance, especially when we're driving these cars harder and so forth, is to go back and do our own checks, you know, besides just relying on mechanics and checking and making sure everything is still tight. There's no, you know, heaven forbid, no loose nuts. Any of this stuff is aftermarket stuff that we've installed. We want to make sure on our own, or have our own peace of mind that everything is tight. So today we're going to jack up the front, and we're going to take the front, and so we're about to go ahead and start jacking this up again. So let's see here, let's make sure this is in the right spot. That's closed down. Raise it to where we want it. And then, as always, right, we need to make sure we have our chocks in place. And in this case, we're going to jack up the front. So we'll put the chocks on this side will be down, and we'll put it on the rear. This side is going to go up, so. And we also need the car high enough for me to get on my board here and get underneath the car and look around and be able to work on it. So we're going to jack this up with some pretty good height on it. Remember, I like to use 2 jacks on each side of the car, so a total of 4 jacks. Because I want to be darn sure that if there's a problem, that my car has enough jacks to allow for problem with 1 jack, no problem. Both jacks failing, I don't think that's a possibility. So that's where we're going with this. Okay, we're going to start letting it down slowly. You can kind of see how the car is angulates up a little bit there. So we start jacking up the other side, then this rear will start coming back down. That's going to use rock first off, right? I want to the real road there, so you got to be great. Use on equipment. Make sure you're safe. Alright, so the car is jacked up. I make sure the car is jacked up evenly. In the front, we've got all 4 jacks underneath the car. And now we can begin. All right, so let's bring everything around, the tools and such. Get them all set up here. And make sure you put on your safety glasses, right? Before you get underneath the car, you don't know what's going to drip down on your face, and heaven forbid, into your eyes. And of course, you should always pray and thank God for this moment, so He protects you while you're underneath a 4,000-pound vehicle. Just raise these a little bit higher here. All right, so I had this installed. I installed this. This is a K-member brace, support brace. You have the K-member here, and it's a support brace. It's allowed in my racing class, and so I'm going to double check to make sure that it is okay. You have it. I have it down here, and I have little extensions on here because of the headers come down a little lower, and so the new headers do. And so I want to make sure they were protected as well. And so I think this is good just to make sure the headers are protected from any lower bumps or scrapes or anything. I didn't know a person would be mowing the grass while I'm doing this. So let's see here. What I think these are 17s. Let's see. Nope, maybe an 18. So let's see. Yep, that's an 18. I need another wrench. Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's all tight.